Hello friends, welcome back. The previous session is about what is bool data type and examples of bool data type. Today's objective is what is numeric data type, what is an int data type, and different ways to represent int values. What is numeric data type? Numeric type is further divided into three categories, that is int, float, and complex. What is an int data type? Int type represents integer values. For example, 1, -2, 4, 5, etc. Different ways to represent int values. The following are the different ways to represent int values. First is binary, second decimal, third octal, and fourth one is hexadecimal. In binary or base 2, digits allowed are 0 and 1. Examples of binary number are 010, 101, etc. To represent a number in binary form, it should be prefixed with 0, b in small or capital. Without it, the number will be treated as decimal only, because decimal is the default type for numbers. And in Python, this is the way to represent a binary number: 0b101 or 0b1001, etc. Just a minute, I'll show you. Exit idle here. The first one is 101. Let us say I'm getting a variable 101. If I will hit enter, it will not show an error because this 101 is now treated as decimal number. And if I will type A, it will show 101. Okay, but if I use 0b101, then type A again, the result will be number 5. Okay, why? Because 101 in binary is number 5 in decimal, and the default type for integers is decimal. So this binary number is automatically converted into int type, decimal number. Okay, back to slides. Next one is decimal with base 10. Digits allowed are 0 to 9, and example is 10, 4, 11. It is a normal calculation, or we can say that we are using it in our normal mathematics. Okay, decimal is the default type of numbers. I have already told you that. Octal with base 8. Digits allowed are 0 to 7. To represent a number in octal form, it should be prefixed with 0o or 0o, that is in small or capital. For example, 0 small o 10 and 0 capital O 177, etc. To show it, just let me open my idle. What are the values? let us say 0 0 1 0. Python is showing 8. Okay, it is the octal value which is represented as 8 in decimal. If I will use 0, sorry, oops, 0 capital O 177. It is 127 in decimal. Okay, back to slides. Hexadecimal with base 16. Digits allowed are 1 to 9 and letters A to F. Both uppercase and lowercase are allowed and treated as same. Okay. To represent a number in hexadecimal form, it should be prefixed with 0, small x or capital X. Example 0x 1 BEE 0x face. Just a minute, I will execute it. 0x capital B EE, it is 3054 in decimal, and the next one is x face. Okay, and it is 64206 in decimal. Okay, just back to slides. Keep one thing in mind, that everything in Python is an object. So range, size, max value concept is not applicable, which is applicable in other languages like Java, C, C++, etc. There the range for int is different, floating point is different, and something like that. But in Python, everything is an object. So this range, etc. is not applicable here. Why? Because the size of an object is unpredictable. Okay? Alright. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Now, before you leave, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye. Cheers.